In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your WordPress site using WP Engine on a domain that you own. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring your site is up and running smoothly. First, you'll need to sign up for WP Engine, which is a powerful platform that specializes in WordPress hosting. To do this, navigate to www.pengine.com and follow the straightforward sign-up process. You'll need to choose a plan that fits your needs best, keeping in mind the expected traffic and features you require for your site. Once you've signed up and logged into your WP Engine account, the next step is to create your new WordPress site. Head over to the WP Engine dashboard and select the Sites option, then click Add Site. This is where you'll name your site and choose your environment. You can opt for a production environment if you're ready to launch, or staging to test things out first. After naming your site, click Create Site to set it up. Now, let's link your domain to your WordPress site. In the WP Engine dashboard, find the Domain section and choose Add Domain. Input your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com. This addition lays the groundwork for your domain to point to your WP Engine hosted site. After entering your domain, be sure to click Add Domain to save changes. The next crucial step involves updating the DNS settings with your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Log into your registrar account and set an A record pointing to your WP Engine IP address. This record ensures that visitors are directed to the correct server when typing in your domain. Additionally, you might want to set a CNAME for www to ensure broader accessibility for your visitors. This optional step is essential if you want your site to be accessible via www.yourdomain.com, as well as just yourdomain.com. Once your domain settings are configured, securing your site with SSL is next. In the WP Engine dashboard, head over to Utilities, select SSL, and either enable Let's Encrypt for a free SSL certificate or upload your own. This step is vital for encrypting communications between your users and your site, increasing security and trust. Lastly, access your WordPress admin area via the WP Engine dashboard by clicking on WP Admin. Here, you can log in, start customizing your theme, add content, install plugins, and make your site truly yours. When you're finished setting everything up, don't forget to test your site. Visit your domain and verify that your WordPress site is live and your SSL certificate is working properly. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully host your WordPress site on your own domain using WP Engine. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more great content. Happy hosting!